Sometimes we want to create a list of unique entries. We want to remove duplicates. So let me demonstrate this. I'm first of all going to go to the query called Sales 2019-2021. Now I want to make a duplicate of this, so I'm going to right click and I'm going to duplicate this query. And here it is here, so I'm going to press F2 to rename it, and I'm going to call it Brands List. Now I need to create another duplicate of this query, Sales 2019 to 2021. So I right click and duplicate again. And this particular duplicate, F2, I'm going to name Countries List. And I can actually drag columns, so I may actually want to drag Brands List and put it up under Sales, and I'll drag Countries List and put it up under Brands List. Okay, so starting with the Brands List, let's say that I want to remove any duplicates from the brand column. For this, I would right-click the column heading brand and remove duplicates. And when you do that, it literally leaves you with 11 unique entries in that particular column. And then what I'd do is I would remove all the other columns except for brand. So I'll go remove columns and remove other columns. And that just leaves me with the brand list. I could also sort this, it actually is sorted, but I could sort it if I needed to using the sort options. Now if I go to countries list and I click on the country column and I right click and I say remove duplicates, I'm left with 3 unique countries. I now want to remove all columns except for country, so I remove other columns, and that just leaves me with a unique list of countries. So it's a really quick way to create a unique list of entries, which can be handy for some of the other processes we're about to look at. Now I'm actually going to close and load, so it loads the changes into the Excel file that I've created, and then I'm going to save the data model file, so save. And then I'm going to go back to my Power Query editor by going Query and Edit, and I'm back in my Power Query editor.